guys, it's Aya. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited to share with you my newest obsession. It's beauty fridge. Yay! I got this beauty fridge from Beauty Fridge Australia for $129, and it's because we're in a summer season. I decided to search some beauty fridges to keep my cosmetic and skincare fresher for longer. So I decided to choose this one. It's because this beauty fridge is a no frost type, so you won't worry about the ice buildup. And also this comes with a handle, so it's very convenient for you when you travel. And okay, I will show you what's inside or how it looks like. I don't know. I'm doing my vlog. Wait. Okay, I'll try to open it for you guys. Anyway guys, I put all my skincares already inside. So here we go. So this one here, this is a middle shelf. This middle shelf is removable, so when you clean it, it's very easy. You just have to remove it. And also this part here, I'll show you. Oh, wait. Okay, this part here is the door shelf. This is also a removable, so you can just remove it when you clean it. And this beauty fridge has a hot and cold setting. You can find the hot and cold setting here, this part here. Alright, so if you want to store your anything from face masks, what else, serums and creams, just set it to cold. And then if you want to put your wet wet towels and wax, just set it to hot. And also this is where you can find, or you can find the off or the off option. Yeah, this is where you switch it off. So this is the home adapter. I'll show you. Wait, this is the home adapter. This is removable also, so you can just remove it just like that. If you want to travel, just remove it and then just put it back like that. Simple as that. Alright. So this first is a 4-liter capacity. And guys, lastly, I want to show you, before I end my video, I want to show you my skincare. Alright. This is my face mask. And this is my sunscreen. These two here are my serums, and this pink here is my lip sleeping mask. At the back there is makeup serum, and this green here is my lip sleeping mask also. It's the minty one. This one here is cherry one. And beside of the green, this little thing here is also for my lips. And also this one is my vitamin E mask. And at the at the back, there's a cream there. It's from Innisfree. And also I have this little thing here, that's my eye cream from Olay. Anyway guys, if you want to know more about my skincare, just comment down below and I'll do it for you guys. And that's all for today. And if you want to keep your skincare and cosmetics fresher for longer, I recommend you to get a beauty fridge Australia a beauty fridge from Beauty Fridge Australia. And it's because it's a very reasonable price. And I'm so happy for this one, guys, because this one is a no frost type, so you won't worry about the ice buildup. And also it comes with a handle, as I've said before. And that's all for today. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.